This person is driving down this road covered in snow. And if you look, they're going way too fast. First, for the road conditions, as well as the traffic that's almost standing compared to his speed or her speed. They're going a lot faster, and there's no way this car could stop safely when the road is this much covered in snow. As soon as this person pulls out, they get into a crash. Now, obviously, this person is at fault. They didn't look and to make sure that they could safely make this lane change. But the driver with the dash cam was also going too fast. So whenever you're driving down a lane that's open and the lanes next to you are full of cars, go at a speed at which you can comfortably and safely come to a stop if any one of these cars pull out. If this bus pulled out, this car wouldn't have been able to stop. If a person ran out into the street, they wouldn't have been able to stop. And if a car changed its lanes right in front of them, they wouldn't have been able to stop, as we can see here. So obviously, the car that pulled out is responsible, but this car was going way too fast for these road conditions and these traffic conditions. So I don't know how insurance would rule this out, but it doesn't really matter. That's a second deal. The first priority is to stay safe and avoid accidents like this. Thankfully, they didn't run into any of the pedestrians here, because that would have been pretty bad. So let's learn from both of these drivers. Let's learn from both of these drivers and be safer, more responsible.